Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a new spread in my art journal. Today I'm using the mini round art journal I did in the video before. I will link you up to this video in the info box. What I love about this journal is that you have already backgrounds on every page because it's made from jelly prints. And I start by adding gesso with a palette knife. I'm using a pencil to draw some marks into the wet gesso. I was very busy lately and I was not able to do as many videos as I do normally, so I decided that I will make two different kinds of videos in the future. I will keep my normal voiceover videos and I will mix them with some more speed up process videos without any voiceover. I have so many recorded projects here and I don't find the time to edit all these videos and make a voiceover, but I want to share them with you, so I think it's a nice idea to make them a quicker way without voiceover and just speed up the process. When the gesso was dry, I've added some black acrylic paint, and while this is still wet, I wipe it away with a baby wipe. This adds an interesting texture and also a lot of contrast to the page. I'm using my Neocolor crayons to add some more color. I'm picking one of the round and circle grungy circle stamps from Rubber Dance. These are the stamps I've also used to do the jelly prints, and I add even more texture to the background. I'm adding some white splatters to create even more texture and dimension. I also add some stamping with the old book page stamp from Rubber Dance. I went through my stash to find a nice focal point for the page, and I pulled out that little heart. I think it's made with a big style from Tim Holtz, and it has Crackle Paste on top, and I cover it completely with red acrylic paint, and I dry this, and after this is dry I go over with black acrylic paint and wipe this away to create a grungy effect. I wanted to add some wings to my heart, so I decided to pick the wings from the Dreamcatcher stamp set, and I embossed them with gold embossing powder. For the sentiment I used also a jelly print, and I cut the words with some Tim Holtz words dies, and I just glue it to my page. To finish up the page, I glue my focal point down, and I will cut off the overlapping paper from my sentiment. I hope you enjoyed today's video. You will find all the supplies listed in the description box. I hope we see us next time. Bye!